Are you looking to boost your career in finance? The best financial certifications can help you stand out and open doors to new job opportunities. Now listen, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, all right? So let me tell you something. If you want to work in finance, having the right certifications can make a big difference. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one for you? Let me tell you something. You got to start with basic certifications for beginners. So basically, certified financial planner, okay, or the CFP, and Chartered Financial Analyst, a CFA, are great choices. These certifications teach you the basics of financial planning and investing, and are respected by employers all over the world. All right? Second thing, centralized certifications. So if you want to specialize in something like accounting or management, you might want to look at certifications like Certified Management Accountant, a CMA, or a Certified Public Accountant, a CPA. These certifications are perfect for those who want to dive deep into accounting and management roles. Okay, third thing, improve your skills. If you're interested in building your skills further, financial risk manager, okay, an FRM, or a chartered market technician, a CMT, are great choices. So look at these. These certifications focus on advanced finance skills and, like what? Like risk management and market analysis. Don't wait, get certified today. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like. I love you.